Well, I think we've been, it's a very short prep for both games, and this is a short week for us, getting in last night. So we've really been focusing on getting our game right. You know, there's a few things we missed on, Sunday against the Wallabies that we want to clean up, and we've been cleaning up a few things. Obviously, Scotland's game against the Māori team on Saturday was a good hit out for them, and they're very aggressive around the breakdown. So I think one of the things we found when we came in at half time was that was an area we addressed. So I think Scotland's physicality around the breakdown hasn't changed, and they play great rugby. So we know that we're going to have to be on our guard with them, and they're a sharp team. But for us, we've been really focusing on what we probably missed on Sunday to get right this week. Working on our own aspects. We know that it doesn't matter who we're playing. We play Scotland, we play South Africa, we're playing Spain later in the year. The forwards always have come physical. So no matter what team you're playing, it's a battle up front, and we're prepared for that. And we know Scotland forward pack has done well through the Six Nations, and they'll be ready to go. They'll enjoy the weather here, and we're just looking forward to that physical encounter. To answer your question, we're just getting ready to be physical on the weekend.